way. The CVs are in.
Problem.
Little problem here and there.
Got bolts broke off.
A bolt broke off for what?
No. When you guys were pulling it apart, these two are broke off in for the sway bar link.
All right. What's this? What do we do?
I got this one on. One will do you. We're gonna have to get them drilled out.
Okay.
Drilled and tapped or whatever. See, the fucked up part is this one's replaceable. That one's not.
Ah, of course not.
And just take this one out of there.
Can you cut it? Maybe just cut it. It doesn't bolt off, right? This one bolts off.
Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah, that's weird.
And it would just so have it that they're broken the one that's not replaceable.
I have a welder.
It ain't gonna affect it too much. Where the hell is this guy? These are green or black and red. My floor's 100 years old. It's pure wood.
Yeah, it's hard as a rock.
It'll never break out. I've had some big shit on it.
Oh, I know.
That's only a 7,000 pound lift, and I've way exceeded that.
I know. This one's like working with a dream compared to that one.
Okay. Wiring. That shit's up there. Dead wires? Yes, they are.
Yeah, another light. We'll get all the parts in one shot and save some time.
Green and yellow.
Yeller. Okay. Green and yeller. Related to over here somewhere. Oh, I bet you these are temp sensor shit.
For the new unit that
Yes.
goes in there?
Yes.
Quite a
That'd be
few.
black wire that still needs to be hooked to something.
Starter.
That goes to the starter?
I believe so. Okay. What? Battery, yes.
Battery's here. If you need it, it's right on the shelf.
This might be like hood light, maybe?
Hood light.
That would be
This don't have a light. No, that's fancy for the early '80s.
Chevy's had them.
Oh, really?
What else? To replace them? I'll probably be alright for now.
No, it's on the floor. I think I heard it. Yeah, I got it.
Black and red or black with the stripe goes on top.
Bright light and hand.
That Ryobi light's a freaking monster.
I mean, I don't mind them. They make, but the carpentry tools, they kind of, they're
love
meh.
them now.
Like the Brad nailers suck.
The Brad nailer does suck. I got one, it's broke.
Yeah, mine is like it barely spits out, and then it gives you a problem every other nail.
Yep.
And then the grinder.
Depends on which one she
The
I love
grinder.
the grinder.
The
I just
grinder is,
bought
it's good if you're trying to on the go, but
I
it's weak.
just-
It's for a grinder. It's weak.
I just bought the new one. The new one's good.
Yours better.
The new HP Brussels shit.
I have old Bosch in it, and it just keeps grinding and grinding. Bosch, it makes it good.
I got a Makita that'll just go and go and go and go.
Well, Japanese, yeah. Fair enough. I mean, Milwaukee stepped their game down at the same time.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Milwaukee's losing the race.
The wall's going down fast. The only shit I'll buy nowadays is either rigid or fucking Ryobi.
Hilti never goes down, but they're expensive.
If I'm gonna go out and buy something that's mid-range expensive, it's gonna be probably rigid.
Yeah. Okay. That's interesting you say that, because I felt they were just as good, or, you know, like, they're all the same, like Porter Cable, Rigid, they're kind of like all on the same level.
Porter cable
Mid-tier.
down at the
Mid-
bottom.
Yeah, really?
Porter cable went way down.
Delta used to be good, saws, now it's garbage.
I have the 7-inch Ryobi compound miter cell.
Mm-hmm.
It's battery powered. It's pretty fucking serious.
It's,
For what it is, for being something
something like that. I think I have a Ryobi tiny one. It's 7-inch saw, like just
I love
a
my
miter
saw.
saw, but it doesn't bevel. It just cuts straight. It goes this way and that way, but it doesn't bevel. It's kind of annoying. It doesn't slide or anything.
Yeah, mine's like a master.
Now I got the M18 cordless bevel, dual bevel. That thing is ridiculous. It goes this way, that way, that way, this way, this way.
I bought one.
See, I'm gonna get Milwaukee. I'll probably go with Milwaukee sheet just because I like Milwaukee brand stuff.
I know, but they suck
They
now.
have the adapters.
Yeah, I have adapters too. Yeah, I mean, it just adds clunkiness, but it works. Ooh. Well, it's in one piece. Which one is which? This one is that, which I don't need. Yeah, this is unobtainium. I found somebody. There's a guy I was talking to on Facebook. He's in the second generation Civic community.
Yeah.
He's got a junkyard full of just Integras, Civics, CRXs, Honda motorcycles, Acuras, and somewhere in Missouri. And he shipped me these. He had them sitting around.
Oh no!
I heard it on the floor. It's just this and this. There's something else there.
This damn one starter bolt goes in from the fucking rear.
Oh God.
So you gotta put it back up on the lift just to put a starter bolt. Oh damn. Oh, that one ain't it. What's another long bastard like this? Okay. So this thing's not the starter bolt.
Yeah, how does that come off? It's gonna be some fun stuff to get off, though. This bezel's kind of stuck on here. I think it might be broken in that edge.
The old one?
Yeah, this is the old one. It's cracked already. This screw doesn't want to.
Because the grill and the bezel are one piece.
But where is it? So it's hooking onto something there back there. So you're not taking this bezel
Down
off
in
now? Yeah.
Well, it wants the grill to come out first.
I see that. Oh, yeah, it's kind of trying
I got
to.
them separated with that corner.
Which you would think
Wait
if
a
you
minute,
push
look at
in.
this. Look, it's got little
there's two
hooks on
clips. So once this
So-
comes out from here, it'll come out from there.
it. Correct.
So
Hang on,
just to
hang
come
on,
out
hang
from
on,
behind
hang
there.
on, hang on.
I have a new headlight for this. Brand spanking new.
You gotta do both sides?
I mean, I have two new headlights. We don't have to do that side. I think that side headlight looks though. This one's fine. It's just this bezel's broken.
It'd be easier to get the hood back in it with the grill out.
Fine, perfect.
Hang on.
Beautiful. Holdy, but it's still holding. Yeah, imagine having front ends like this where the whole thing comes off in a few screws. In new cars, it's 18,000. By the way,
Pop pens
yeah.
that don't work.
Bada bing, bada boom. All right. Woohoo! Get this shit out of here. Now we're talking.
Yeah, his brain don't function much more out of its normal.
Yeah, these should come.
Okay.
These parts don't even have the same.
I think, but it ain't correct. What's the matter?
This don't look right. These two don't even. This doesn't look like it'll even sit there the same way.
Well, no. Take this screw out right here. Somebody's replaced it with a sheetrock screw or something. That's what it looks like. No, that's a regular screw. You got one more right here somewhere? Yeah, you
There's
got two
one.
more. Is the headlight unhooked?
No. This boot's like. There we go. That's the bezel.
One more right here in the corner.
Uh-huh. I see how this works. And it'll hold that. Okay, that makes sense. Very good. Okay, that makes perfect sense. I'll just put this screw back on. I'll deal with that later. It's a little dent.
What are you worried about the light?
I'm not. I don't even know why I'm f***ing around. I'm just here with the light. We're putting the starter on. I don't even have a piece of straight ground by my house. Maybe if you could help me pour a slab one of these days.
No, starter's in. I just got to go back up with it, put the other bolt in.
Oh, we can ride this thing tonight.
Well, I don't know about all that.
Axles are in, starter's in, and I think we just throw the battery in it and it will fire.
Going now?
Gotta
Yeah, I
put
think
the
it went
covers
in.
and shit on over
Felt
here.
tight.
The spaghetti here. A lot of them I got. There's that. There's that. There's those three big ones. I think that's the tack. I'm not sure where that connects to.
Do you remember, Stan? He was here when I pulled it apart.
This slides into another tube somewhere, but I don't see the other tube. This was the Speedo, which I believe is.
Let's get this glass out of here, maybe. Yeah, we're getting somewhere.
That's oil sensor. This connects.
See, it's like doing it back, reverse engineering without the instructions.
Oh yeah, all right.
I bought a Hayden's manual.
You're right.
But I have it on PDF.
That's alternator shit. Okay.
Cooling hoses are hooked up, everything. You know, I was gonna get the AC compressor because everything's already in parts. They want $900 for that.
Well, that's a thick book.
Tank,
Quiet.
hey, come on. Tank, come on.
Say hi.
Hey, get over here. Get over here.
That dog could chase bears, 500-pound bears, and he'd chase it. One day he never came back.
Can't be chasing bears.
No.
It's okay.
That is fucked up.
Oh, just that one.
Because this here will hold here.
Because that bolt was small,
They probably
right?
used this to pick the motor out of the other car.
Who was the bolt that came out of there? That was sitting
I
there?
didn't have it.
It was
Oh,
like-
that one here, yeah.
They probably just used this.
But that don't even.
Don't even line up.
It would if this was in those two holes.
What?
If this
Yeah, I
bracket
see
is
what
sitting
you're
in them
saying.
two holes, like that one sits. That one line up this hole and that there. They use this bracket.
Well, let's find out.
Mm-hmm.
Unless it goes on the back side. Kind of looks like it does. Now this one, obviously, goes through here like so. Butt slot. Jesus Christ. Sure.
Oh.
That.
I think I had a screw and I just lost it. Did I lose it? Got it. Ah, beautiful. They what?
We're doing it way faster.
I mean,
did hundreds of them a day, but
who bought Hondas originally? People who didn't have a lot of money, right? Generally. So that's why these cars don't exist anymore, because the ones that made it,
used.
not only that, the ones that survived, the people who were poor said, fuck it, we fix it ourselves. They scavenged every single last one of them. There's almost nothing left of them. There's only frames. And so that's why they're so rare now.
Yeah, because you probably have maybe a good 50 people in the U.S. and maybe a good 50 people in other countries that probably have all the all of them.
There's the one guy I met on Facebook. He's got a junkyard full of old Hondas and Acuras in Missouri, and he's not really interested in selling anything. He's got tons of them just sitting.
Correct.
Just want to sit on them.
Yeah, right.
Go by feel.
Just used them so damn much.
What?
They've just been used so damn much.
Oh,
Hardly seen.
well, it's still working. It's a good tool. Snap on? Probably.
Yep.
Yeah, these are
Their subsidiary company, Blue Point.
These ones are the Blue Point?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And you have nothing bad to say about that.
They're alright.
Blue Point.
Did you end up getting any fuel line? No, right?
I forgot.
Yeah. Oh, you know what I brought? I brought lock rings, but screw-on lock rings. This is better than the ring clamps, right? It's almost the same thing.
Yeah, there's a better one. Well, shit.
We're missing more shit?
The top alternator bolt.
Oh boy.
This might be long enough to snack on it.
Tank. Oh yeah.
That'll do.
Next time we're gonna use a bunch of Ziploc bags. And
Hopefully you won't have an next
yeah,
time.
I really don't want a next time. I can't have a next
motor
time.
swapper.
That's it, yeah. Turbo. If you find a turbo Type R, you let me know. It's toasted.
Wait till I find a beater piece of shit diesel that I don't like.
Duramax?
Any of them.
I could turbo this motor, can I?
You could. I'm not sure how well it would handle it.
It wouldn't, because it's got the CVCC head. They're trying to save gas back then. You need a regular head at least. As long as it goes, I'll drive till it stops and then we'll put something else in it. The most common swap for this thing is really a B18B, and because it fits right in. But I wanted a K20 in here. However, it won't clear it. The roof has to be banged out a little. It won't clear by an inch. K20 is such an easy motor to work with.
It's a f***ing big block of force on it.
The K20? I had a Civic Si 2002. I was a kid when I had that car. I was lucky. My parents bought it for me. It's like 16. I crashed into somebody T-boned me and I took out a set of stairs in Brooklyn. There's nothing left of the car. Well, but we survived. That thing was fast. That motor was really, really good. It was low mileage.
Send it to him and have him send it to you. There's a 1,000 horsepower Honda Odyssey. K24.
Wow.
6-speed.